Now, apart from the functionality, a wristwatch has always been a great fashion accessory. However, men are more crazed up regarding watches. If you love watches, here are top 5 watches for men that have gained popularity. Top 5 trending watches for men. Now, in Indian households, we generally say, "Ghadi tootni nahi chahiye," because we feel that watches are crucial to our time. Hence, we look for more robust designs. Chronograph watches are robust that features a 3-hand dial with mineral glass. They usually come with a unique dual color band of silver and gold or brass. The round-shaped case has a diameter of 42 mm. It is water resistant and can tolerate 3 bars of water pressure. Titan, Fossil, Citizen are the top brands that are popular in this type. The case is crafted with stainless steel material. They have a date display dial and a stopwatch on their square-shaped dials. Skagen, Fossil, Armani and Gucci are also quite popular brands. The watches have 2 years of warranty. The leather straps are of pure leather and are mostly dense brown. Now, if you're looking for experimental designs, hybrid watches are just the right choice for you. They combine features of smartwatches while retaining the aesthetics of analog. You can sync hybrid watches with smartphones. Through that, people can track fitness, notifications, etc. You don't need to charge your hybrid watches now and then. That's because they are designed to run up to 6 months on a single charge. G-Shock, Fossil, Rhythms, Garmin, Skagen are a few popular brands known for providing the best hybrid watches. Now, these watches have made a comeback owing to their accessible, functional and good-looking timepieces. These watches have bold, gaudy designs and colors. The dial is slightly bigger than the usual watches. The dials are around 48 mm in diameter. They are a perfect combination of quirky and robust. The analog dials are brilliantly supported by metal strips. Some vintage watches have leather straps as well. Titan, Casio, Daniel, Swatch and Timex have the most exotic vintage collection. Now, the automatic self-winding watches save power from the user's movement. This power is then used to keep the watch running. The more you wear the automatic watch, the more accurate it will be. The straps of these are either made up of stainless steel or pure leather. Now, depending upon the design, the dial size varies from 38 mm to 42 mm. The black canvas over leather strap with black and gold dial is the most popular watch in this category. Timex plus Todd Cinder, Nixon, Tissot and Seiko provide the best automatic watches. There is a saying regarding watches in India. बंद पड़ी घड़ी भी दिन में 2 बार सही वक्त बताती है. This shows that we have very high regard for watches. We hope one of these watches will make your style statement this season.